Are you looking for the best electric fireplaces in Illinois? Do you want to add a cozy and elegant touch to your living room, bedroom, or any other space in your home? If you answered yes, then you need the Artemis electric fireplace inspired by MagikFlame. The Artemis electric fireplace is one of the most realistic and stunning electric fireplaces you can find in Illinois. It is designed to fit both traditional and modern luxury homes in Chicago and other cities in Illinois, such as Peoria, Springfield, Rockford, and Joliet. The Artemis electric fireplace features a gorgeous mantel package that is finished in a bright alpine white and stands out in any room with its breathtaking bold appearance. It features an elegant array of rectangular and square-shaped details, framed by crown molding on the front centerpiece and on the side posts. A perfect fit for a modern home. The Artemis is made from high-quality woods and is a premium piece of furniture. It looks fantastic from any angle and is sure to impress. The Artemis electric fireplace also uses patented HoloFlame technology to project actual video of real fire onto a physical log set, making it look like those logs are actually burning. You can see all the details of a real fire, such as wispy smoke and glowing embers, that other fireplaces cannot produce. You can also choose from 30 ultra-realistic flame options, each with its own sound and mood, to match your preference and occasion. You can also adjust the temperature to suit your mood and comfort level. The built-in heater can warm up a room of up to 1,000 square feet as a secondary heat source, making it cozy and efficient. The Artemis electric fireplace is easy to assemble, install, and maintenance-free. It is a ventless electric fireplace that does not require any gas lines, chimneys, or vents. It is also a cost-effective electric fireplace that consumes less energy than traditional fireplaces. It will transform your living space with its elegant design and realistic flames. It will also provide you with a cleaner alternative for homes to help avoid soot, smoke, or gas emissions. The Artemis electric fireplace is the ultimate electric fireplace for your Illinois home. It will create a cozy and sophisticated atmosphere for your family or guests, celebrate the winter holiday season, or attract more customers or renters. It is also a great option for small spaces in apartments, as it does not take up much space and can be easily moved around. At MagikFlame, our goal is to create the most realistic electric fireplaces ever made. We also believe in improving quality of life by providing people with the best possible cozy and relaxing environment every night. Using our patented technology, we've innovated the electric fireplace to bring you effortless cozy with friends and family. Because quality family time and relaxation after a hard workday or activity is life-changing. Get the Artemis electric fireplace inspired by MagikFlame today and experience the magic of MagikFlame in your Illinois home. Order now through MagikFlame.com.